Hi, good afternoon. My name is Gus Sanchez, and I'm the Senior Enterprise Account Executive for T-Mobile. I lead an experienced enterprise team that's assigned to your organization, and we'll be working together to find ways to streamline your operations and impact your bottom line. But before we get started, I'd like to take a moment to share the successful turnaround of our network, which is likely what matters most to you as a business customer. 5 years ago, we didn't have the same network story to share with you that we have today. You may have recalled the failed AT&T merger, which resulted in one of the largest breakup fees in corporate history. We reinvested the dollars awarded by AT&T into our network infrastructure. We also had some significant acquisitions along the way that served us well by enhancing our reach and our network quality. In 2017, we entered one of the largest government spectrum auctions in U.S. history, in where T-Mobile was awarded 45% of available spectrum, giving us the ability to cover 100% of the U.S. population, including the Gulf of Mexico, Alaska, and Puerto Rico, which is more than any other carrier in the U.S. Now, what does that mean to you as a customer? Here's T-Mobile in 2000, prior to these acquisitions. We had the 21 and 1900 megahertz, which had great. When we acquired the 700 and the 600 megahertz, it enables us not only to get into buildings, but through buildings in many instances. Company highlights. T-Mobile now covers 322 million of the US population, 73 million customers compared to 33 million customers in 2014. We've added 1 million customers, 19 quarters in a row, 5 million customers, 4 years in a row. And just in the last quarter of 2017, we added 1.9 million customers, one that we're truly proud of is that 1.18%, which represents the customers that are leaving our network. As you can see, which is the lowest, we have the lowest churn rate in the industry. Now, because of our customer-obsessed mindset, we've been awarded in the industry by multiple independent reports, such as State of Open Signal, State of Mobile Network, which rates all wireless carriers by using crowdsourcing data. We were ranked out of 6 awards, we won 5. Ookla, which also uses crowdsourcing data, which is data that comes from you as a consumer, rates performance, the network, rated T-Mobile. Now, all this wouldn't have been available without us having a plan to support our customers. So what we developed is a plan from A to Z to support our customers with our no-hassle implementation. We start with the plan. We start with the detailed plan of what is going to require for us to bring your business over from your previous carrier. Then we launch the implementation plan. We finalize the details. We talk about your wireless numbers that are going to come over. Once we work out all the details, then we start the porting process. Our team will make sure that is holding your hand from beginning to end. Once that is complete, we train your employees, we set up your billing, your reporting system, and last but not least, we verify the account information and we assign you to an account manager. Now, once you're on our network, we provide you. Now, part of our network, you'll have an account manager, a sales engineer, a dedicated care, self-service portal, 24-hour business care support to support your organization. Now, let's talk a little bit about what we offer customers, which is different than any other carrier. Our T-Mobile One for Business, which is our signature plan. It's one price, all included. Without going so much into the pricing, just want to do some quick highlights. Unlimited talk and text with 4G LTE data across the U.S. We include Canada and Mexico with up to 5 gigs of high-speed data included in your plan. Unlimited in-flight texting with 1 hour of Wi-Fi go-go, unlimited text and data to up to 140 countries, and unlimited mobile hotspot included in your plan. All this is, we include all this with no contracts, no overages, no headaches. Executive summary. What do the other carriers offer? You'll be moving from long contracts and commitments to simple commitment billing, easy to scale. Billing overages and ability to forecast